In today's video, I'll show you how to add files in Slack so you can share documents quickly and keep your team in the loop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. First, open Slack in your web browser or desktop app and log in. You can sign in using your email, Google or Apple account, whichever is easiest for you. Once logged in, select a workspace where you want to share your file. Then click on the channel where the file should be uploaded. This could be a project-specific channel or a general team channel. At the bottom of the channel, locate the message field. Just below it, you'll see a plus icon. Click this to open additional options. Then select Upload a file from your computer. Browse your computer, choose the file you want to share, and optionally add a caption or message to give your team context. When ready, click Send. Your file is now uploaded and accessible to everyone in that channel. And that's it. You have successfully added a file to Slack, making collaboration smoother and communication faster. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.